questions. And basically we do have problem with change. When we were like small kid, we prefer to grow up, go to college, and have those kind of like. When we are in college, we feel bored. I miss my school days. You can see that. We always have problem with change, and change even brings lot of things in us. Good things, bad things, whatever it is, it will be an experience. So let's know what is art for change, how art influence change. To know about art for change, we have an amazing speaker who is also an executive board member of Smart Club, and he is a very helpful guy. Whenever you're in problem, you ask, or if you don't ask, he always stand by your side. I know why you people are smiling, because somewhere you felt that. So without any further delay, let's call upon the stage Mr. Saurabh Bhatta.
Well, before entering into my content, I'd like to request the audience to imagine this all of Smart Club as a crowded Nepali attire where people are struggling to even stand. In that situation, the speeches given by the speakers would only be heard, they would not be listened, and they would not be analyzed. But here in this hall, we have a proper alignment of chairs, we've got arrangement of table, and we've got a stage. That proper alignment and that proper arrangement is art. That is what makes Smart Club different from that Nepali attire. That difference is change. Respected OC, coordinator, and all my smart friends of Smart Club, good morning to you all. I'm Saurabh Bhatta, today's second criticized speaker, and by requesting the OC, I'd like to inform the timekeeper to extend 1 minute time for my speech. So my topic for today's session is art for change. Dictionary defines art as the works produced by skills and imagination. Dictionary defines change as the art of making or creating difference. So hence I define my topic art for change as the use of skill and imagination to make difference. Imagine a bottle. A bottle is used to store water. A bottle is used to store water because of its shape, because of its design. The artistic design of wheels are used in the vehicles in order to ride it more smoothly and efficiently. The designs of fans are used in aeroplanes for its flight. So I believe that art has acted as a change maker in local, national as well as the global view. In local view, I'm sure we've heard many charity shows of art for donations for social cause. Like for example, Firefly was a charity art show which was done in order to benefit the students of Junkiri school, and that is how it helps nationally or locally. Now talking about globally, the buildings where iPhone 5 was introduced, and at the same time the building where the Constitution of Nepal was not introduced, was all made by art. Now let's imagine below that building there are two bikes, both Pulsar Black 150cc, and we've got a job. Our job is to sell those both bikes. First bike we sold it in a normal price. But before selling the second bike, we play with the artistic possibilities of that bike. We change the tires, we put bigger tires, we modify the silencer, we paste amazing tattoos, and we paint it with colorful, charming paint. And then when we sell the bike, certainly its price is going to increase, its value is going to increase. When we use art in a proper way, it increases the value of things. The smile of Mona Lisa is what increased the value of in its painting. The statues of Abraham Lincoln in front of Lincoln Memorial, the Statue of Liberty in New York, and the statue of Prithvi Narayan Saha in Nepal, they were nothing but pieces of rocks and varieties of stone before they were turned into magnificent art. The stones that used to be spitted at, the stones where we used to walk, has been turned into amazing masterpiece with the help of art. Art increases value when we learn to use art. When we use art in proper way, it increases value of things. It creates new value. It turns ordinary things into something extraordinary. And according to my experience, I believe one among the greatest forms of art, one among the greatest change makers of art is music. Before the while, we imagined this hall as crowded Nepali attire. Now let's imagine this hall as a platinum dance club. And the song that's being played is Gangnam Style. Now certainly we can imagine some people dancing in horse riding moves, some people dancing, jumping, screaming, laughing. But at the same time, we cannot imagine, or there will be very few people who will be dancing slowly in a sentimental tune. There will be very least people, unless they're drunk. But now let's change the music. Let's change the music from Gangnam Style to My Heart Will Go On, the theme song from Titanic. And when we change the music, obviously the people will start dancing with the flow of the music. And they will not be dancing in horse riding move unless they're drunk once again. Music changed so did our behavior. Music changed, so did the dance moves. Music changes and so does our mood. And I believe that music is that thing that can instantly create a magnificent change in the way we think, the way we feel, and the way we behave. And that is a form of art. And there are other forms of art like photography, documentaries, filmmaking, and mostly fashion that has created a profound change in the lifestyle of many people living in this planet. And in this process, I believe that art is something that has created a change so far in this planet, that has created change in the living style of people, and will be creating change psychologically as well as practically. Thursday night, my mom asked me who is the greatest artist of all time. I said, without making a second thought, I said, Pablo Picasso is the greatest artist of all time. She said, Pablo Picasso is not the greatest artist. The greatest artist is the ultimate creator. I was convinced the greatest artist is the ultimate creator, the one that created the whole universe. The greatest artist is the creator of creation. I don't know if it's me, I don't know if it's you, I don't know if it's some energy, I don't know if it's a thermonuclear power, I don't know what it is, but that is the greatest artist. The greatest artist is the one who created the mountains, the forests, the soil, the planets, the suns, the stars, the aha counter. The greatest artist is the one who created love, respect, tragedy, excitement, desire, pain, anger, sorrow, desire, and happiness. The greatest artist is the ultimate creator of creation. And with a big salute to that great artist, I'd like to conclude my speech. Thank you.